Okay, this is PowerDirector version 16, and here's an audio related problem. I have a few clips here on the timeline. This one has sound, this does not have sound, and that has sound. Okay, so I applied the speed up effect to this one and then it became muted. So let's preview it. Place the cursor, let's say there, and play.
The correct frequency.
It has sound. It does not have sound.
Voila.
And this one has sound. Okay, so let's click on this one, which does not have sound. Okay, go to Tools and Power Tools. Here is the video speed that is applied. Click on the speed adjustment button and let's wait until this window appears. So 4 times higher speed was applied to that clip. So let's go here to the settings wheel and uncheck keep audio pitch. Uncheck it and apply it. Close the window with OK. And now this one will have audio also. So let's preview it.
The correct frequency.
Audio, high pitch audio,
and voila.
And normal audio. Of course the playhead is behind, but let's preview it again. So this clip has a 4 times higher pitch sound.
The correct frequency. And voila.
Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.